Hey guys, Richard Burgess here from onlearn.com, and I'm just about to tuck into a mince pie and a coffee in my Christmas mug. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I've got my Christmas tree up over there. I've got my little garland around the fire there, and I've got some bits and bobs dotted around the house, and it's just starting to feel a little bit like Christmas now as we approach, and only 2 weeks remaining, and it's Christmas Eve as I record this video. So, exciting times ahead. Hey! So in this video I wanted to talk you through how to list your first product onto Amazon in Seller Central. And to do this, I thought I would just hand you over to myself from 2017 when I recorded this tutorial. And it is going to show you step by step on how to add your first product onto Amazon in Seller Central. So while I hand you off to myself, I'm going to dig into my mince pie. Yeah, I will see you in this video here. Speak soon. Oh, I forgot to say as well, by the way, remember that if you want full access, 100% pay what you want to get inside of the OnLearn platform, where you can receive step-by-step tutorials about how to create your Amazon account, how to start finding profitable products to sell on Amazon, how to analyze products so that you know they'll sell, how to list products onto the Amazon platform, how to create your shipment, how to do Amazon to Amazon flips, how to do Euro flips, how to do wholesaling, how to do all sorts, how to manage your business with spreadsheets. You can get access to it all inside of the OnLearn platform, and I'm currently running a pay what you want option. Okay, so I forgot to mention that mince pie's gone. I'll see you in the video. So without further ado, let's get straight into it, and we are going to list this product that I've used as the example throughout this course that you've gone through, a 7-day course. And we are going to grab the ASIN number from the URL just here. Okay, and again, if you remember, you can also scroll down and get it from the, I'll just show you, in fact, get it from the additional information here. So that's the ASIN there. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to head over to your seller account, and we are going to hover over inventory here and then add a product. Click on that, and you'll be taken to this screen here, and what you'll do is you will paste in your ASIN number here, okay, and click search, and it will load up the products that we're going to add into our inventory. Once you've checked that that is the correct product, and it looks the exact product that we're purchasing from the online retailer, we would click on sell yours, and it takes us to this screen here. And what we will do is we just click on this advanced view here just to open up all of the options here, and we will type in our price that we've worked out that is profitable. Okay, so let's just say it's £27.90 for the example. Let's say that we bought 3 of these. The condition is new, and we would just scroll down, and this is the important bit here. You would tick I want Amazon to dispatch and provide customer service for my items if they sell. The reason why we do that is pretty obvious, but it's so that we are using Amazon's FBA services, and if we didn't tick that box there, then Amazon would expect us to actually send that product to the customer ourselves. Okay, so we would have to package it all up, put a post, a label on to the package, drive to the post office, send it off to the customer. So we'd have to do everything. Okay, so make sure you do click on this particular point here. I want Amazon to dispatch and provide customer service for my items if they sell. Very, very important, that one. And you can click on remember this setting for next time, so that it does remember this setting for next time. Okay, so that you don't have to keep on clicking on this every time you come to list the product. And then click Save and Finish. And that's it. That is how you add your product onto Amazon. That's how quickly you can add your products onto Amazon. And like I say, not complex in the slightest, very simple to do. And you know, all you do is basically get all of the products that you've bought, add them onto Amazon, you know, each time, and then you would create your shipments, which I'll come on to once you've done that. Okay, so that's it from me. Have a great day. So there you go. That is how simple it is to add a product onto the Amazon platform in Seller Central, and how you can get your first listing created. Like I say, if you would like access to the online platform, then comment below and click on the link in the description to get access to that platform, which is going to teach you everything you need to know in order to sell on Amazon. If you've liked this video, if it's helped at all, please do like it. And if you'd like to watch more videos just like this, then please subscribe, and there will be more videos to come. Okay, so that is it from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you again soon.